back to shop vlog for y'all, man. I actually been getting stuff done off the camera because I've been trying to just stop recording a lot of stuff. But I'm going into Walmart looking homeless. Give me some more pans. It's all my work stuff that I had that was clean, so that's all I had. I better change this. I can't be walking around like this, a businessman looking like a homeless man. So I'm gonna change real quick. Got my North Face on, it's all jacked up too. But I can clean this. I can fix these pans. So get me some new pans real quick. So today we're going to get a grapple bucket attachment. I'm going to get my machine back, and I also just dropped off the 75.
Arrived.
Yep, so we got it. The nice grapples. I'm not trying to show off his property. I ain't even asking for his cool hardcore, but he cool. Military, retired military. He just talking. He's like, how you get that location? Everybody say that. How you get that? But got 60-inch, half-inch steel bucket. Not pulling no stumps or nothing with it. It should serve its purpose. I definitely am going to use the skid steer more than I would use the forklift. So that's why I said I'm just going to get this. The forklift is pretty much not going to use it, I'm sure. Good price. Everything looks good on it. Definitely liking it. But, you go ahead.
Skid steer did you get?
Strap this down. Huh?
What kind of skid steer did you get?
A 743 Bobcat.
Was it brand new?
Used. Beat up. We got the grapples. We're gonna take this to the house. We actually slid this up by ourselves, so I know I'll be able to get it off. Probably get some 2x4s, jacks, all that stuff. I'll be maneuvering, finding ways. It is a lot lighter than I thought, but it is still heavy duty and stuff. Yeah, we got it. So, just leaving this tool rental spot in Fayetteville. I was gonna rent the machine from a track skid steer from what's the name of the place? Sunbelt Rentals. I was told it'd be a little bit cheaper here, but I think it was cheaper at Sunbelt Rentals with insurance and everything. But it's a little bit closer, and it ain't that much of a difference. But got us a track skid steer with 2 bucket. I'm gonna end up taking the attachment off in Tuesday, tomorrow. My bar and chains come, so I can cut down the extra stuff I need to cut and then chop it in sections. Use this grappler to move it over for the most people. Most people gotta come back anyway. Like, they have to come back because where they grinded the stumps, mulched the stumps. I'm gonna show y'all. Got my 2 cans, man. One of y'all was looking at them in the last video with the me showing y'all them parts for those who watch every video. I got one for the shop stuff and one for the house. Definitely need 2 cans. All right, let me show y'all this. Yeah, this is why we need the mulchers. It's a stump. Yeah, all this is real wide. It's super wide. It wasn't even a tree that big. I think they filled around some trees when they did this house, but it's stumps all up in there. The ones I cut down. The guy rolled over them, just not enough, I guess. He didn't go low enough. But yeah. That's why I need that. This is why I need the grapple attachment. Look at all this stuff, like all this stuff. The amount of time with the machine that's not mine, how many times I was gonna have to rent it. It just would have been smarter for me to just buy it, and then I could sell it over if I want. Or worst case scenario, oh, this is in the ground too. Worst case scenario, man, I could use it if I actually get into this, which I think I want to. I ain't gonna even lie, I think I want to, but I ain't too sure, man, because never know, man. But check this out. It was a trash pile in there. Y'all see all them rocks, bricks from the house. They all in there. The concrete that I took from the garage, it's in there. The concrete that was right here, like a little burn pit. Concrete, more rock. It's all kind of stuff. But the wood chips and stuff, all the stuff that got mulched, it's going on that side because it's gonna eventually die and cause like a little drop. So still gonna use it, just pushing it away from the shop area. And then so this area over here, this is all where the stuff that need to be mulched is gonna go. So all this is gonna go over there. And I made a whole tree pile, a wood pile. This pile, thought I was gonna be able to use, man. It's already infected. It's infected, man. Got carpenter bees, ants, maybe termites. I don't know if you got termites, but it's already infected, man. Try to burn a little bit of it, and the insects was crawling out like crazy. I just said, you know what? Move all this stuff too. Move it all. Take it all over there.
What are you talking about?
I'm recording. I'm just gonna slide it down. Y'all seen what I did? Turned it around and maneuvered it to where the edges come off.
What?
I'm just gonna
I
push it
didn't
off.
know you turned it around.
But it's better anyway, because when I need to load it, I can come from behind it, and then I can put it wherever I want to put it after that.
Oh.
With the other machine that I'm renting. So yeah, that'll be that. I'm ready to get this show on the road. Well, let me get it off. Knock the camera.
Yes.
Oh Lord, the camera done fell. Stay on. Sit down though. I'm moving. Sit down. The girl crazy. She be liking this. Sit down. That was cool. This cool right here. You like this?
Yes.
Finally can't get my machine back. Man, it's crazy, man. When you're trying to sell stuff on Marketplace, I'm kind of done with Marketplace right now. You got people arguing with you for your prices, making their own prices, trade. They put cash behind everything. They be like, whatever the number, cash. Like, what the fuck? I ain't selling it for nothing else. I ain't gonna put cash. That's how you be knowing if they number crazy, right? They'll say something like cash or right now behind the dumb number. Behind behind a stupid number they give you. Like, that shit don't make a difference, man. But I'm trying to get my machine, man, go off on one of these people. Crazy how these people rob. These folk rob me, man. They pushed the machine in, pushed it out, charged me $500. Motherfuckers. Let me get my shit. Alright, it's back. Whole day. It's blue collar fool. I'm tired. I ain't gonna even lie, man. I'm tired as F. People robbed me, man. They seen Steve Davis, they robbed me. But we're gonna get that machine together eventually. Like I said, we're gonna get some forks for this. And yeah, we got that bucket. We're gonna get a tooth bucket. And this, I mean, I know I can do some grading, man. 400-500 a day. And I wanna just get away from cars. But not no time soon. I really need to get this up so I could be moving cars with it. I could move motors and trans with it, like all that heavy stuff, throwing my back out. I ain't gotta do none of that once I get that machine going. But I wanted to use it for my own backyard, but we seen other plans happen and I'm impatient now. But yeah, shoot, I'm done, man. I'm beat. I ain't gonna even lie, I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't be tired often. I'm tired. Let me go and get in this house, man. I'm out.